Hi guys, welcome to Charlotte's Foliage. I just wanted to jump in here and let you guys see another unboxing. It is a plant, of course. So let's just get right into the video. If you guys are here for the first time, welcome. And what we do is talk about plant content. We open up plant boxings together. And if you're revisiting, thank you for coming back and supporting my channel. It always helps to look at the entire video. YouTube needs me to have at least 4,000 watch hours. So let's just get into it. I ordered plants, and I usually try to order plants that need to go into my store, which is on Etsy, or I order plants that I wish to have. So to be honest with you, I can't remember what plant I ordered. So let's just get into it. All right, I have a receipt here. So this is from Ecuagenera, and this is one of my wish list plants. This is a Anthurium luxurians. This is a plant that I've been wanting for some time. It is kind of pricey, so I wanted to make sure that I could afford it. So I was able to get a payment plan and get the plant that I wanted. I do have another order from them that's coming after I realized that I had paid off my previous order. I could have ordered them with this plant, but it's okay. It's just another video that we can share in the experience together. Ecuagenera is a great place to order plants from. I actually order plants from them. I sell their plants on my storefront after I've made plant babies, and so that I can make them more affordable for my customers. So they package their plants really well. I'm just getting the packaging loose, guys. So this is some bubble wrap or foam wrap. And then, of course, this is, let me turn on the light so you guys can see me better. And I'm going to come in a little closer. I look a mess. I just woke up not too long ago. So I won't put my face on the computer, but I will on the video, excuse me. But I will show you guys this beautiful plant. Oh my goodness, you guys. It's so beautiful and healthy. I believe this is a luxuriant seedling. It is. So have you ever known a seed to be as big as a plant? There it is. That's my luxuriant. Isn't she a beauty? All the leaves look healthy. All the leaves, there's one leaf with a little spot on it, but it's so minimum I could barely see it. This leaf looks like it's been here for a while, and these two look newer, and this one looks like a brand new leaf. So yeah, this is my Anthurium luxurians. And what you want to do when you get your plants home is check for pests. You also want to isolate your plant from other plants for at least a week or two. I usually wait 2 weeks. I put this plant in a tub or by itself until I'm able to bring it with the other plants. A lot of times I will repot it in my soil, but because I'm getting used to Ecuagenera, their soil mixture is fine. A lot of times I'll put it in my soil mixture. But now I'm getting where I wait until it's time for the plant to be repotted. And the indicator of that is when the roots are sticking out of the bottom of the plant, or you start noticing that the plant is stunted in growth. You want to check the roots of your plant. So all I'm doing is taking the packing that's around the plant carefully. It's basically tape to hold down some type of wet styrofoam or toilet tissue, paper towels or something to keep the plant moist while it's in transit to you. So that's what I'm taking off here. And but yeah, that's all I do is I order them and I make plant babies and I sell them on my store, or I keep them for myself. This one is going to be a keeper for myself. As the plant matures, that's when I start thinking about making plant babies so I can sell them in my store. And I wait till they get a decent size and that they're healthy. But if you continue to watch my videos, you'll see how I got started. And I have a store actually in my basement, in my laundry room. So it's a lot of humidity down there, and I've got some humidifier down there. And so it's really exciting. And by it being my basement, I can just let the water when I water my plants just go straight down the drain, and I don't have a whole lot of spilling worries. I just try to keep it swept down there really good. I'm being very careful not to cut the stem, you guys. They keep it pretty compact. So we're almost done here. They got it in here really good at this time. Most of the time it's like this, but it usually doesn't take me this long, so I'm just trying to take my time because I don't want to cut any stem. I would be so mad at myself if I did that. So yeah, there it is. Anthurium luxurians, and she's a beauty. Thick leaves, and this plant loves moisture, and it likes to it likes humidity. All right, so thanks again for watching my channel, coming into the video. I hope you guys will come back, and see you in the next one. Bye now.